I'm sure you've heard the news, but let me fill you in on the latest buzz. Brisbane and Queensland Australia is making waves with its latest initiative, and it's something you won't want to miss. Whether you're a local resident or a visitor, this news is bound to make your day. Imagine being able to explore the city in a way that's both affordable and exciting. Intrigued? Let me tell you more. Brisbane's public transport has just become insanely affordable. Yes, you heard that right. The city has slashed the prices of its public transport until the 5th of February 2025, making it easier than ever to get around. From buses to ferries, you can now travel without worrying about the cost. This initiative is part of Brisbane's effort to encourage more people to use public transport, reduce traffic congestion, and promote a greener environment. It's a win-win for everyone. Imagine cruising along the Brisbane River for just 50 cents. That's less than the cost of a cup of coffee. Picture yourself on a sunny day, the wind in your hair, as you glide past some of the city's most iconic landmarks. The Brisbane River is the heart of the city, and there's no better way to experience it than from the water. Whether you're commuting to work or just out for a leisurely ride, the River Cat offers a unique perspective of Brisbane. That's right, folks. Brisbane's iconic river cats and ferries are now only 50 cents per ride. This is an incredible opportunity to see the city from a whole new angle. The river cats are not just a mode of transport, they're an experience in themselves, like a mini river cruise. With comfortable seating, panoramic views, and the gentle sway of the boat, it's a journey you'll want to take again and again, and at just 50 cents, why not? The river cat routes cover a wide area, so you can hop on and off at various points along the river. Discover hidden gems, visit popular attractions, or simply enjoy the ride of the stunning skyline and vibrant waterfront. The choice is yours. And the best part? You can do it all without breaking the bank. This is your chance to see Brisbane in a whole new light. From the bustling South Bank to the serene New Farm Park, each stop offers something unique. Brisbane's waiting for you. The city's vibrant culture, stunning scenery, and friendly atmosphere are all just a ferry ride away. So put on your sunglasses, feel the excitement in the air, and get ready to explore. Whether you're discovering new places or revisiting old favorites, there's always something new to see and do in Brisbane. So what are you waiting for? The adventure of a lifetime is just 50 cents away.